Sure, who wouldn't be in for a day of near-death experiences and endless terror?
Taking this.
What the fuck are we gonna do? They're everywhere!
We survived the collapse. We can survive this.
Over 2. This is Hope 1. Do you copy?
We're here!
Need all cleaners back at the Ville. Pronto. Hard copy?
On our way.
Hope 1 out.
Seawalker? He knew what you were doing. Look before you fire!
That was an accident! I swear! It was an accident!
Do we have a plan? Or are we, winging it as usual?
Through here! I heard something.
Covered in this shit! Need to reload!
I don't like this.
Need to reload! Cool!
Hey! Watch where you're shooting!
Sorry. It's your lucky day, HR.
Ammo
A little
cache here.
self-care here.
Ammo here.
None the worse for wear.
Catching myself up!
Shit. I'm sorry, Ren. Come on. We need to keep moving.
Let me know if you see a med kit, okay?
Reloading!
Gotta hurt!
Beds!
Ammo here.
Hey, who put this in my pack?
Don't see anyone's name on it. No big deal. No big deal.
No way through. Got a stash here.
Hold on there.
Hey! Get me down!
Thanks, Hoff.
I got you.
Thanks, Holly!
Over there. This way.
Did you hear that?
What have we here?
Just what I want.
Reloading!
Everyone's still out there. We need help. They've got us trapped.
I hear you.
Oh, thank God. We thought we were the only ones left. We could really use some assistance. We're pinned down in the old... This might be fun.
Except for the things trying to hit me. You shot me!
Oh, sorry! That's probably smart, right? Reloading!
See that?
Watch out! Birds!
What's up,
Did you
boys?
see that?
Well, that's just charming.
Cool. Need ammo.
Stinger!
Careful. Block of birds there.
Ammo! Anyone!
Here they come!
Hey, cat!
Now!
There we go, Hop.
Greatly
Wait a
appreciated.
sec! Do I look cool?
He's down! I was worried about you guys for a moment, but I knew we had it.
Here we go, Holly.
If you weren't you, I'd kiss you.
Need that.
Could come in.
Reloading!
Watch out, birds!
See that? Anyone got some
Going
spare
in.
rounds?
Tread carefully.
Need ammo. Did you see that?
Feeling slightly woozy.
Don't see anyone's name on it.
Come on, move it!
Not feeling so great. Sorry, my bad.
Reload.
Quit that, doofus, or someone really gets hurt.
Need to reload.
Fast! You'll be slow. Now you'll be dead. And I've gotta go!
What the hell, Holly? Oh, shit!
Was that you wheezing as I glided past you out there?
Door!